Welcome back to the Square-Faced Girl Show. I just been at makeup trying to get rid of these bags under my eyes. They're not going away. Oh, well. I'm here with my girlfriend. Hey, she's an F chick. That means she's... I don't know. What does that mean?
I do it for fun.
F stands for fun.
Uh-huh.
Boy. Well, we know you can sing. I heard you singing earlier today.
Mm-hmm.
What song do you want to sing now?
The Jello song.
Again? We sing Jello all the time.
The Jello song again.
One more time?
One more time.
Oh. You're so funny. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. The
Big red letter stands for the Jello family. Oh, the big red letter stands for the Jello family. It's Jello, yum, yum, yum. Jello pudding, yum, yum, yum. Jello tapioca pudding. Try all three.
1, 2, 3.
Is that really good?
Was that good? Did you think it was good?
I liked it.
Okay. All right, we'll go to commercial break and see what Simon says.